Good morning, preschoolers. Today is Miss Galfo, and today is Tuesday. We have a new month. It's called May, and the day is the 5th. So today is Tuesday, May 5th, 2020. And today we will learn about the new month, May, and a special holiday called Cinco de Mayo. We'll talk about that in a little bit, but take a look at the pictures below. What do you notice? We have these two pictures right here for May. Lots of flowers and bright blue skies. And these two pictures are for Cinco de Mayo. Here's a little hint at what we're going to talk about. Alrighty, please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. Take your right hand and put it over your heart and say the pledge with me. Are you ready? I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. And here is our good morning song. I hope you enjoy singing it. Alrighty, it's that time for the weather. So look outside your window. What kind of weather is happening outside? I'm looking outside my window right now and I see so much green. Green grass, green trees, I see flowers. Wow. All right, is it sunny? Cloudy? Is it snowy? Is it partly sunny? Are there some clouds in the sky? Is the sun trying to come out? Is it windy or is it rainy? Great. Take a look at our weekly focus wall. We got some new items on here for you. Let's start with the color on the top left. We have 3 new colors. What are those colors? Red, white, and blue. Just like the colors in, what is this? Right, the American flag. We're talking about red, white, and blue. And we have a new shape. What shape is this? A star, right. Do you know how many points a star has? This is 1 point. How many can you see? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 points on a star with lots of sides. Just like a starfish, right? This is in shape of a star. That's why it's called a starfish. Where else do you see a star on your screen? Yes, just like a star in the American flag. Awesome. We have a new letter. It's the first letter in the alphabet. What letter is it? Letter A. Do you have an A in your name? I do. Miss Galfo. Trace the uppercase A. Here's the lowercase a. Let's trace it. And practice the sign for A. Go ahead. Letter A. Awesome. Letter A is a vowel. It has 2 sounds. And the themes for this week is, you talked about Miss Erica's book that she made for you yesterday. We are going to be talking about Cinco de Mayo and Mother's Day. That's our weekly focus wall. And here's our brand new calendar for the month of May. So today is May 5th. So here we are, right here. We have a few things to look forward to. Mother's Day, Memorial Day, lots of fun ahead. Alrighty, our sign for the day is a new one. It's paint. So you put both of your hands up and you pretend that one is a piece of paper and your other hand's a paintbrush. And go ahead and paint your hand with a paintbrush. Paint, paint, paint. Great. All right, so since we are in a new month, we are going to talk about the month May. Can you say May? The month May. How many letters are in the month May? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. 3 letters. I bet you know these 3 letters. That's how you spell May. Let's try. What letter is this? M. What letter is this? We're talking about it today. A. And last but not least, what letter is this? Y. Let's put it together. M. A. Y. May. Excellent. All right. So in May, this is everything we're going to talk about. Take a look at all of the pictures. What happens in the month May? What do you see? Here's a video of Jack Hartman. He sings about the month May. You can go ahead and watch that. But let's start over here. Take a look at this picture. It says, April showers bring May flowers. So hopefully we went through all the rain, and now we're going to have beautiful May flowers outside. Take a look outside and see if you can find any flowers. I see yellow and pink flowers outside my window. What do you see? So cool. So beautiful, right? We're also going to learn about Cinco de Mayo. That's one special holiday we have in May. And there's another special holiday we have in May. It has to do with your mom. It's called Mother's Day. A special, special day to celebrate your mom. And then we have another holiday. We have Memorial Day. So we have 3 holidays in the month of May. Cinco de Mayo, Mother's Day, and Memorial Day. And this is a nice picture of how beautiful it will be outside with the sun shining and a flower. Looks like a sunflower, right? And get outside and ride bikes and play outside. That's what May is all about. Happy May! Alright, it's that time to finally learn about Cinco de Mayo. Can you say Cinco de Mayo? Excellent. Cinco de Mayo is Spanish. If we translate that back into English, it means the 5th of May. And guess what? Today is May 5th. So that's why we celebrate Cinco de Mayo on the 5th of May. They celebrate it in a country called Mexico. Can you say Mexico? Here's the country right here, and here's the Mexican flag. On the map of the world, here's us in the United States, and Mexico is right here underneath. So even though that they celebrate this in Mexico, this holiday, we can still celebrate it in America as well. We adopted the holiday. All right, let's take a look at some other pictures that we see on the screen for Cinco de Mayo. This is called a mariachi band. Can you say mariachi? They play the sounds of Mexico, and there's always 4 or more musicians in a mariachi band. And you see their outfits? That's called a charro outfit. Charro outfits. And they play instruments. In the videos, in a couple more slides, I put a video of mariachi band playing music, so you have to listen to it. It's very soothing. I like the music they make. And do you know what this is called in the middle? All right, it's called a sombrero. Can you say sombrero? Excellent. It's a hat. Sometimes it's made of felt, and sometimes it's made of straw. And sometimes it's colorful. The mariachi band members are wearing sombreros. Down here, the bottom left, what do you see? I see dancers too. Look at their beautiful outfits. They might be doing something called the Mexican hat dance. That's the national dance of Mexico. Did you know that? In the middle, I bet you know what this is. What's that called? A piñata. Have you ever had a piñata at your party? Well, they use it on Cinco de Mayo as well. What's inside of a piñata? Right, special treats, maybe candy, maybe some little trinkets. If you listen to our read aloud today, Cinco de Mayo, there's a piñata in the book. And last but not least, the food that they eat on Cinco de Mayo. What do you see that you know? Do you eat any of these things in the picture? Yum. I see chips and salsa. I see tacos. Yummy. Happy Cinco de Mayo, friends. All right. Here's a game that we're going to play together. Let's count. So we're going to find the missing number. Let's count together for the first one. We're going to actually start at 0. Ready? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What comes next? 6. Awesome. Let's go to the middle line. We're going to start counting at 9. Ready? 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Oh, we made a mistake. That's okay. 14. And the last one. Are you ready? Okay. What comes first? What number? What comes right before 2? 1. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What number goes here? 6, 7, 8. Great job counting. Pat yourselves on the back. And here's a story that I read to you. It's called Cinco de Mayo instead of Cinco de Mayo. So you can click the link above and you can watch it and read it with me. And the activity for the day is to make a homemade maraca. It's an instrument. Actually, Mouse, right here, has a maraca in his hand. And do you have any plastic eggs left over from Easter? Well, that's perfect. You can recycle those eggs and turn it into a maraca. Just need tape, spoons, and something to go inside the maracas to make a sound. If you make them, let your teacher know. And here are the videos I was talking about before. This is a Cinco de Mayo song. And I think this is the one with the mariachi band. I can't remember. But they're all great videos. I especially love this one. I had to add in a song from Coco. But be careful, it will get stuck in your head. And here are some centers for the week of May 4th. Make your own book, build a bridge, set up a grocery store. Here's another Mother's Day craft that you can make for your mom or grandma. And some STEM ideas over here about bubbles and baths and paintbrushes. All right, Tiny Tigers, I hope you have a wonderful Cinco de Mayo. If you celebrate it in any way, send a picture to your teacher. This little joke over here is funny. It says, "You rock," and the rock says, "You rule," because this is called a ruler. Have a great day, Tiny Tigers. Miss you.